Trend lines are also a very popular and common form of technical analysis, which a lot of people follow, but like all forms of technical analysis, these are not guaranteed. Trends are classified in 3 different directions: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. How to draw a trend. The only thing that you need to do is locate 2 major tops and connect them. It means you draw a downtrend. If you connect 2 major bottoms, then you draw an uptrend. The third point will be your entering point, either to sell or buy. It takes at least 2 tops or bottoms to draw a valid trend line, but it takes 3 to confirm a trend line. And most importantly, do not ever draw trend lines by forcing them to fit the market. If they do not fit right, then that trend line isn't a valid one.